Welcome to AlphaLens's unique Locates and Borrows platform, known as Lab. Lab is a fully integrated solution designed to help source liquidity, create competitive pricing, and improve transparency in the securities lending space. Similar to a smart order router for equity trading, Lab allows you or your organization to ping multiple securities lending providers for locates and pre-borrows with a single click. To begin, select your account, enter the symbol, choose the desired quantity, select a routing strategy, and submit your request. Responses are typically returned within 10 seconds, allowing you to quickly review available pricing and locate opportunities. By selecting Accept, approved locates can be routed directly to your connected order management system for immediate use. For traders who may prioritize speed over price, Lab also offers a multiple fast route, which returns provider responses within 3 seconds. For traders looking for a one-click workflow, Auto Accept is available. Simply pre-select your pricing bands, and if shares become available at or below your selected price, the locate can be accepted automatically. For traders who frequently request preset share quantities, Lab supports customizable hot buttons for common amounts such as 500, 1,000, or 10,000 shares. At the bottom of the widget, the cost information section provides a running summary of all accepted locates throughout the trading day. With Lab, AlphaLens delivers a faster, smarter, and more efficient way to source securities lending liquidity.